A lot of people and a lot of companies think it's real easy to just buy a drone, throw it up in the air, and then you can cover more ground. But it's not really that simple. It takes a lot more. You have to know all the regulations. You have to have your Part 107 license. You have to have a certificate of waiver to be able to cover more ground, to fly outside of your visual line of sight. You have to have a 24/7 operations center. In order to have an operations center, you have to have that infrastructure of network, computers, staffing, to be able to work 24/7, 365. At Titan, all that burden shifts to us. We deal with the FAA for getting licenses, for getting airspace authorizations. We train all our people. All our people have the Part 107 licensing required to work commercially. We also train them in a security mindset. Not everybody who flies a drone is capable of thinking, is this suspicious or not? And then we train them what to do. At Titan, we are the turnkey solution for your security drone needs. We have the waivers, we have the equipment, we have the people, and we're ready to deploy on your property to keep you safe.